You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it. In a private plane, I'll lamp on it.
Hi YouTube, we are in Cusco, Peru. This is the first meal of the day. We had a 3 a.m. takeoff, 6 o'clock flight. We flew from Santiago to Lima, Peru, Lima to Cusco. And it's about to go down. You know your job. We just did a whole 12-hour fast, basically. Let's go. Let's go.
Lele then call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him.
Okay, please, my friends. Yes, in this opportunity, my friends, we're gonna recognize the traditional weaving process step by step. Yeah?
Hey, they eat guinea pigs and alpacas. And the llamas. They're processed for weaving out of alpaca wool. It's pretty dope.
As that day comes, as I go, God, watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors. As it comes, as I go.
Alright, our tour guide just gave us a shot of something. I heard him say Viagra. I heard him say energy, alcohol.
Just energy. I don't know nothing about this Viagra you're talking about.
I heard Viagra.
Toast. It smells like cough syrup. Kind of look like it.
I'm still trying to figure out what it is.
After Angela, please.
Muy bien, amigos, vamos a levantar las copirindis que hacemos en casa, que es arriba, abajo, al centro. Ya.
We China.
¿Ustedes han desayunado?
Energy.
¿Verdad? Sí. A ver, una vez más, fuerte, ¿sí? Wichayman.
China.
Urayman. Chauviman. Uhuman. Ujachis, amigos, ¿qué significa salud? Bienvenidos al baño.
Okay, cheers, my friends, and
Salud
we'll
con
go to the
ustedes.
city, yeah?
Ujachis.
Are you okay? You like it or no?
Verdict is still out. We don't know.
And Murai, we consider it the one important experimental area. What? We consider it the best greenhouse in the Inca period. Yes?
Touch you there from Papa. Which kind money we never see before. Cause hello me, got me feeling I'm the one a day. I never take my cake away. You can't count my grace. I just day my lane. Me no get the time, but the hate and the bad energy. Got my mind on my money. Make you dance like broccoli. Steady green like broccoli. Steady on my grind, oh yeah, what they want telling me.
I want to tell you about a few herbs that can help transform your mind and body for less than $30. Turmeric curcumin is our modern day Tylenol and Advil, natural. It helps pull the inflammation out of the body, relieving all types of pain. Headache, knee pain, back pain, you name it. Inflammation in the joints, soreness, swelling, turmeric curcumin is your go-to. We really want to step away from the Tylenol, Excedrin, BC, and on because these synthetics are not going to the root. They're just masking the issue just to relieve the momentary pain. But the turmeric curcumin, over time that you continue to take this, you're going to find out it's going to relieve whatever symptom that you're trying to get rid of.
Dance like broccoli, steady green like broccoli, steady on my grind, oh yeah.